What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're just gonna get right into it. So today we had to work on my dad's truck in the morning. We put brakes on that, which you've seen previous to this, and now we are at my buddy's shop and we've been building some traction bars, and they just got back from powder coat, so I kind of want to get his reaction to his color because it's nice.
Hurry up! I want to see you.
Dude, I don't know if you're ready for this.
Come on! Oh, dude.
Oh, you got a little scuffed. That'd be alright, though.
Yeah, those are fucking sweet. Oh my god.
Does that flake not pop or what?
I like that so.
Or not a losing cherry, a losing purple, sorry.
Dude.
I haven't even really looked.
God.
The holes got nicked up right there at the top. What do you think, dude? Think they're gonna look good on this thing?
Oh god. Oh yeah.
Dude.
Yes.
Dude.
I gotta get some other shit done now.
Yeah.
Dude, these are sick.
Dude. What the heck's with the condensation?
Yeah, I did my. What was that plug?
Oh.
Yeah, these fuckers are sweet. It's hard to see them on the picture.
The flake? Yeah, I figured it would be.
Yeah.
I got my new traction bar, so this thing will focus. Here we go. It's Illusion Cherry. Seems like everybody's going to this color now. I think I...
But I had it first!
But I had it first. Kenzie, I seriously, I think I hate you. Like, honestly.
Let him record you.
I know. So, we're going to go ahead and put these together, and then we got to get the tabs, the old tabs, cut off my frame, and new brackets welded on. God, I hate you. Somebody record me doing this. It's recording. But, like, come up here.
That ass though.
I'm tired of you guys. Huh? Alright, so I don't know what the heck's the last thing you saw. Probably traction bars. We've been busy and there's a lot of people showed up. You know, but we are, what do they call that? Social distancing. 6 feet. So I'll show you what we got. We're just doing some redneck stuff here.
This should work.
Should work, right? We got a good
All you gotta do is pick up.
good old pal. I'm gonna tilt back, but so yeah, that's our redneck stuff. Here, Ty, record this. So if it goes bad, if you could, you know.
No, really. Really?
Well, yeah.
We're gonna
I probably weigh more than Jackson.
so much easier than when they went up. You guys should have seen when we put these up there. It was interesting to say the least. Yeah, decent anti-tire, one a little flat. Must have a hole in it. Yeah, alright, we'll find that. Set up in it.
Especially with this much weight, all four of us.
Oh yeah.
We're getting stuck.
We'll get off the coast a little bit.
That made my truck just got clean. Oh, you got the tractor. Never mind.
That wind is
Yeah, we got the tractor. We're all good. I was gonna say my truck just got clean. Oh, you going straight to the mud hole too? Ah! No.
So you guys better hold on to whatever you're holding on to.
My boobies are bouncing. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Get light, boys.
Oh shit!
Shit. Shit. Come on, boys.
Scooter! Scooter! Yeah!
There we go. Let's go, baby.
The belt got wet. There we go. Yeet!
Ah! Yeehaw! Hey, I bought my other pair of muck boots. Always put the gunpowder in your mouth.
Always.
always tastes good.
You'll die later from it, but that's okay.
Keeps you away from the coronavirus.
Hey guys, 6 feet.
What's that mean?
You're touching him almost.
Oh, yeah. What if I just spilled it all? I'd cry.
Because we'd have to wait an hour for Logan to get
I
here.
know. They're expensive for these little stupid things.
Really? Where'd those come from? Walmart?
15 bucks a piece.
We went to a Buffalo Trading Company in Finland.
Is that where them came from?
Yeah.
Dude, because I couldn't. They were sold out at Bass Pro.
Right.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Ow! Jesus Christ!
Do that again, bud.
Do it again. Huh? Do it again.
There we go. Did you want me to zoom this in a little bit?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wasn't as big as our last one.
Ready?
That wasn't cool.
So that's gonna do it for this one. It's a little bright. We're gonna go inside. If you guys would shut the hell up! I see, dude, I see your reflection. This is why we can get nothing done when people are here. Absolutely nothing. We just blow shit up.
Okay, you can finish that.
All right. Hope you guys, you motherfuckers. You guys are so hilarious. Let me tell you. If you guys like that, please hit that subscribe button. Like it. You know. Take number 437. Thanks guys for stopping in. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, hit the like button. Stopping in for the first time, subscribe.
And I'm Ben.
And that's Ben. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.